Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Realme C85 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see guys, incorrect password, please try again. You can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Press and hold the volume down and power button together. And when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. And when the recovery mode is appear on the bottom left corner of the screen, release the volume down key. And you can see now here select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here you can also use the touch feature. So here select language, and you can see in recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Here simply tap on format data. So here you can see in format data, here we have a verification code. Here you can see please enter verification code, which is 5197. Enter it 5197. So here you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. We have cancel and format option available. So here simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. And you can see data is successfully formatted. Now simply tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme C85 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.